Now, let's experience the K8, the family sedan suited for a sophisticated urban lifestyle. Kia's new front emblem greets you with a vibrant, diamond-patterned, dynamic welcome light. The integrated bumper of the wide radiator grille complements the sleek headlamps to emphasize Kia's innovative and bold image. From the side, the volume of the front end and the fender are perfectly balanced. The longer body gives the vehicle a sleek and full feel. The fastback slopes smoothly to the rear. The multi-dimensional rear combination lamps, positioned in a straight line, add to the K8's sporty and bold charm. The K8 is equipped with the power trunk lid tip-to-run feature. With this convenient feature, set the trunk to half open for small everyday luggage. When handling larger luggage, lightly touch the trunk to switch to full open mode. On the infotainment system screen, go to Setup, Vehicle, and Door. In the Door menu, tap Power Trunk Opening Height to select half open or full open. Inside, the latest lightweight steering wheel made of aluminum is engraved with Kia's new emblem. The remote control buttons have a smooth touch and are comfortable to use. The soft crash pad and dashboard, treated with metal garnish, combine with the frameless rearview mirror to create a more elegant look. With wider shoulder room and more legroom in the first row seats, you can fully enjoy the immaculate center console. The cockpit features dynamic colored dot lighting and subtle indirect lighting on the door trim. The Star Cloud ambient light maximizes the experience of night driving. The cluster and the infotainment system are now combined into a single screen to form a wide and slim panoramic curved display. With the 12.3-inch infotainment system screen, you can enjoy a wider view. In the platform cluster, you can change the color depending on the drive mode. The infotainment buttons and climate control buttons are integrated into an info climate control system with a simpler layout, creating a neat center fascia. Tap the Info Climate Conversion button to easily switch between the infotainment and climate control modes. The driver's Ergo Motion seat boasts 3 features: comfortable stretch, smart support, and posture assist. On the infotainment system, go to Setup, Vehicle, Seat, and then Ergo Motion Seat. You can manage the Smart Support and Posture Assist features. You can also adjust the strength and time for the Comfortable Stretch feature. Press the Ergo Motion Seat switch on the driver's seat to activate Comfortable Stretch mode. While driving long distances, this feature helps you get a pelvic, lumbar, and whole body stretch. On the back of the first row headrests, there are grooves that can be used to hang various items. This useful feature allows you to hang suit jackets, coats, shopping bags, briefcases, and other belongings without having to attach a separate hook. With the 3-zone climate control system, you can control the temperature of the driver's seat, passenger seat, as well as the back seat separately. Use the knob on the left to adjust the temperature of the driver's seat, and use the knob on the right to adjust the temperature of the passenger seat. You can control the temperature of the back seat by pressing the buttons on the back seat console. On the climate system, press the air purification button to turn on the active air purifying system. The fine dust sensor detects concentration levels of fine dust inside the vehicle and automatically activates air purification mode, which optimally adjusts the indoor air mode, air conditioner, and fan speed to keep the indoor air clean.